Hey guys, so yesterday I was teaching on how to make the onion water. This is practically how to do it. Some people have been asking me what kind of onion is it. When I made the brown onion, this is the one I actually meant. Alright, I'm going to show you guys today. Look at it. This is the one they call the brown onion. You don't use any onion but the brown onion. And this onion water with the Turkish tradition, it does tell that it helps with conceiving and even ovarian growth. So it's something to give a try out. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do the one for the female to enhance your fertility, and also the one for the male. So first let's get on by on this stove. All right, now I'm going to use 1 glove of onion because you're supposed to use 1 glove for each time you take it, because if you're doing the detox thing, you're supposed to take it 2 times per day for 15 days. So I'm using 1 glove of onion. If it's the lady that's taking it, you just need only the onion and water. First, I'm going to put water inside my pot. All right, I hope you guys can see. Okay, I'm putting in water. You should be able to just put the water that you can drink, just something enough for you to drink. That would be better. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this onion into 4 pieces. Okay, I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. All right. Oh, excuse me. Oh my goodness. That was close. Okay. You still want to leave it inside the glove. You just need to remove. Now you remove the first layer for the skin. You just need to remove the first layers of the skin. Just the first layer. Get the first layers out. You have to be very careful when removing it, because if you don't, you can just peel off everything, and these things you actually need them. All right. Okay, this is very good. Now I've peeled out the layer, and I'm going to wash and just toss into the pot. Now for women who are trying to conceive, like, this is how you take it for the woman. All right. This is how you take it for the woman. All right, just like this. But if you're trying to do it for your husband, I do advise you to add 1 glove of garlic, because garlic is very medicinal and helps with boosting sperm. So 1 glove of garlic should do, just 1 like this. Add it to the onion water. I'm just going to add the garlic so you guys see what I'm talking about here. Okay, 1 glove of garlic inside. The next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cover it, and I'll be back showing you guys how the water looks afterwards. So I finished cooking the onion water for 5 minutes, and as you can see, this is the color. I'm just going to pour. What you do next is just strain, all right, and put in the glass cup. Now, like I told you guys before, I did add ginger because for people who want to give it to their spouse. If you're drinking it alone as a female, you just need only the onion. But if you're giving it to your spouse, you need to add 1 glove of ginger. Now, look at the color of that. Look at the color of that. That's the color you get after you've boiled it for 5 minutes. Allow it to cool down, and it's a drink, like it's ready. Thanks everybody for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just click the subscription button so you follow every new video that I post. All right, thanks everybody. Bye for now.